Okay, in this section, we'll see how to create and store resources, basically about some built-in operations for global storage. As usual, let's start with some module and our classic print. We'll create two structures here. The first is an apartment structure with some fields inside. Then second is a building structure with some apartment things inside. Again, we'll skip the field details because not very important here. But here we'll focus on the ability. So apartment structure here only has store ability, while the building has both store and key ability. That's because we're setting the building as a resource. As we mentioned in our previous section, the definition for resource is that it is just a struct with both key and store ability. So here, obviously, building struct is a resource. And we also said that if a struct has key ability, then everything inside needs to have store ability because they need to be allowed to stay in the storage space. So that's why apartment structure here has store ability. Okay, then we'll write two create functions for these structures. And then this time you should be very familiar with these create functions. So we'll just simply copy paste it here with no more explanations. You can, of course, take a closer look at them by pausing the video. However, okay, we do have a new function that's going to put the resources into a single account. And that's we need to use move to operation. So move to. So move to operation will move the resources to the storage space under the signer, and this function will take a signer as parameter. So we'll here write a function, and just name it store. So it needs to take a signer, and also the things we actually want to put. Here is a building. Okay. And here, the syntax for move to operation is move to is the type parameter, is the type of the things we want to put. And then the parameter is signer and that thing. Okay. And for our actual functions, we'll just put building here and account B. That's it. Okay, furthermore, we'll use another global storage operator, exists, to make sure that the move to operation works fine. Don't forget the S here. So the syntax would be exists and also another type parameter and address. Okay, and we can also write a function about this. So exists, name it exist at, and takes an address. It will return a boolean. Okay, so inside it just exists, and here we want to check if the building exists in that address. Okay, that's it. So if it works fine, exist here should return true for this function. Okay, that's basically all you need to know in this video, and see you in next one. Bye bye.